Power off and unplug the power cord. Remove the magnetic outer cover. Pull out the Teflon tube. Unscrew 3 screws and remove the cover. Remove the back cover. Unplug the cable. Unplug the hotend cable. Disassemble the hotend assembly. Unscrew 6 screws. Unplug the throat cooling fan cable. Remove the throat cooling fan. Unscrew 2 screws. Install the new throat cooling fan. Note the front and back. Plug in the throat cooling fan cable. Install the hotend assembly. Tighten 6 screws. Plug in the cable. Plug in the hotend cable. Install the back cover. Install the cover and tighten 3 screws. Install the Teflon tube. Install the magnetic outer cover. Self-check. Plug in the power cable and power on. Click Prepare. Calibration, check all options and click Start Detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.